My name is Morgann LeLeux. So I actually started off in gymnastics. My parents signed me up for a little mommy and me class, and it kind of took off from there. Pole vaulting came about because my dad, that was his passion, and he knew gymnastics and pole vaulting went hand in hand. And girls pole vaulting kind of started taking off, and he's like, oh, well, my daughter's a good gymnast, so I could definitely teach her how to pole vault. Or I was doing a drill where I was planing the pole and it tweaked something in my shoulder, and it took me out. I was having a lot of pain. So had to get another MRI, and that's when we found the labrum tear. So that's when we made a plan to go ahead and just stick with therapy and a different route other than surgery to be able to, so I can continue to compete for the Olympics. So yes, the Trinity is helping me continue with my sport without surgery.
So here at Trinity, what we do is basically cellular therapy. Cells can be used for different kinds of medical conditions, or not even medical conditions. We can even use them for anti-aging. Right now we are focusing on Morgann, so we know that they can also be used for sports injuries, sport-related injuries. And we know that they are immunomodulators, meaning that they have the ability and capacity to change or modulate the immune response from our cells. They also try and promote the neoformation or the new formation of blood vessels, which basically expands the oxygen flow, so the blood flow into all these areas that don't have as much irrigation as others. So cells do have lots of properties, and they're very positive, and that's why we get to see all the positive outcomes in our patients.
I have had one treatment so far in my shoulder and in my Achilles, and I will say this, I chose to sit out for a week, but I was back up and running in no time and little to no pain. The people here are incredible. They're very easygoing, down-to-earth people. They are extremely kind, very welcoming. I really feel like I'm at home. I mean, I know that I'm in a different country, but honestly, it's very hard to tell.
You can actually come in for treatment one day, return back to the US the same day.
Honestly, if it wasn't for keeping my body, strong and good, I don't know if I could keep up. And I truly believe that this is what's helping me keep going, helping me stay on track. I am pole vaulting extremely well right now, knock on wood. So things are going very, very well. I definitely recommend it to athletes. If you want to stay away from surgery, I definitely think this is your best go-to treatment. If you just want to feel better, The people here are extremely good, and I truly believe what's going on here is extremely good. So go for it.